but at present only two models are given in the present syllabus. One is if a part of the complementary function is known, and the second one is variation of parameters. Today I am going to discuss about variation of parameters. So what is the working rule to find the variation of parameters using this method? The general form of the differential equation will be of the form d square y by dx square plus px into dy by dx plus qx of y equal to r of x. Then usually we know that because it is the second order linear differential equations, we are going to get two roots. Accordingly, we are going to get c1 times u of x plus c2 times v of x. Now yp, the particular integral, you consider it as au plus bv. Then in the theory we can show that capital A becomes integral minus vr by uv dash minus du dash dx, and capital B becomes integral ur by uv dash minus vu dash dx. Then finally you are going to substitute a and b in yp, and thereby you get y equal to yc plus yp. That is the working rule. Now based on this, now we are going to do another problem. D square plus a square operating on y equal to tan x. So the given differential equation in the operator form is given by ft of y equal to q of x, where f of d equal to d square plus a square and q of x is equal to tan x. Therefore the auxiliary equation is nothing but f of m equal to 0, that is m square plus a square equal to 0, that is m square is equal to minus a square, therefore m is equal to plus or minus ai. Therefore the complementary function yc is nothing but c1 times cos ax plus c2 times sin ax. Now what is yp? Yp equal to au plus bv, where u is nothing but cos ax and v equal to sin ax, and constants are replaced by a and b. So already just now I have mentioned about what is a and what is b. In order to find out capital A and capital B, we require that in the denominator uv dash minus vu dash. So u is equal to cos ax and v is equal to sin ax, therefore u dash becomes minus a sin ax and v dash becomes a cos ax. So uv dash minus vu dash is equal to a cos square x plus a sin square ax, that is equal to a. So uv dash minus vu dash is equal to a, therefore capital A is equal to minus vr by uv dash minus vu dash dx, that is nothing but minus sin ax into tan ax by a dx. So minus 1 by a I am taking outside, sin ax as it is, tan ax we can write this as sin ax by cos ax dx, that is equal to minus 1 by a into integral sin square ax by cos ax dx, that is minus 1 by a into integral once again 1 minus cos square ax by cos ax dx, that is equal to minus 1 by a into integral 1 by cos ax, that is secant ax dx, minus cos square by cos, that becomes cos ax dx. So minus 1 by a integral of secant log of secant minus tan. So log of secant ax minus tan ax divided by coefficient of x, what is that? A, minus integral of cos ax, that is nothing but sin ax. So minus sin ax by a. So finally this becomes actually, that is a equal to minus log of secant ax minus tan ax by a square minus of minus plus sin ax by a square. I hope that is clear. Thank you. So let us calculate b. What is b? B is nothing but integral ur by uv dash minus vu dash dx, that is equal to integral, what is u? Cos ax. What is r? Tan ax by a dx. 1 by a constant I have written outside, cos ax. Tan is nothing but sin ax by cos ax. Cos and cos get cancel each other. So this becomes 1 by a times integral sin ax dx. Integral sin is nothing but once again minus cos ax by a. That is minus cos ax by a into a square. That is your capital B. Now therefore finally yp equal to au plus bv. So a minus log secant ax minus tan ax by a square plus sin ax by a square into u. What is u? Cos ax plus b. B is nothing but minus cos ax by a square into v. What is v? Sin ax. Now therefore yp equal to finally minus cos ax by these two terms. Here we get minus sin ax cos ax. Here we will get plus sin ax cos ax. These two terms get cancelled each other. We get only the first term. That is minus cos ax by a square into log of secant ax minus tan ax. Therefore, the general solution is given by y equal to yc plus yp. That is y equal to yc c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax minus cos ax by a square times log of secant ax minus tan ax. I hope this is clear to one and all. Thank you. Variation of parameters problem. Problem number 13. D square minus 2d operating on y equal to d power x sin x. The given equation in the operator form is given by f d of y equal to q, where f of d equal to d square minus 2d and q is equal to e power x into sin x. Therefore, the auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. That implies m square minus 2m equal to 0. That is m into m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 0 and m equal to 2. Therefore, the complementary function is nothing but c1 e power 0x plus c2 e power 2x. That becomes c1 plus c2 times e power 2x. Call that as equation number 2. Now, what is yp? au plus bv. So, a is u becomes 1 and v becomes what? E power 2x. So, what is u dash? Derivative of 1 is 0. What is v dash? 2 times e power 2x. So, u v dash minus v u dash is nothing but 2 into e power 2x. Now what is capital A? Capital A is nothing but integral minus Vr by uv dash minus vu dash dx. That is integral minus, what is V? V is nothing but e power 2x. And what is capital R? Capital R is e power x sin x divided by uv dash minus vu dash 2 e power 2x dx. So minus 1 by 2 comes out, e power 2x gets cancelled each other. We get e power x into sin x dx. But already we know the standard formula. In intermediate you have learned. Integral e power ax into sin bx dx is nothing but e power ax by a square plus b square, a times sin bx minus b times cos bx. So capital A equal to minus 1 by 2. What is A? 1. What is B? B is also 1. So e power x by 1 square plus 1 square. 1 into sin x minus 1 into cos x. So minus if I take inside, this becomes cos x minus sin x. E power x by 2 into 2, that becomes 4. So capital A becomes e power x by 4 into cos x minus sin x. And further, what is capital B? Capital B equal to integral UR divided by UV dash minus VU dash dx. That is integral e power x into sin x by 2 times e power 2x dx. So when you take this upward, it becomes 1 by 2 times e power minus x sin x dx. So once again it is in the standard formula. Integral e power x sin bx dx. That is nothing but e power x by a square plus b square plus a times sin bx minus b times cos b. So e power minus x by a minus 1 whole square plus b 1 square into a sin x minus 1 into sin x minus b 1 into cos x. So this becomes e power x by 1 plus 1 2. I have taken minus outside, so this becomes sin x plus cos x. So capital B is equal to minus e power minus x by 4 sin x plus cos x. So what is finally yp? E power x by au. This into u. U is nothing but 1 into 1 plus b. This term into b. B is nothing but e power 2x. So e power minus x into e power 2x. That becomes e power x only. Plus 2x minus x, that becomes plus x. So in both the terms, e power x by 4 is common. So cos x minus sin x plus sin x plus cos x. Sin x gets cancelled. Cos x plus cos x, 2 cos x, 2 by 4. That means e power x by 2 cos x.
Ma'am, after minus sin x minus cos x also will
Oh, you are correct. So this is sin x. And this becomes actually minus.
cos x minus plus cos x
Minus sin x minus cos x. Cos x gets cancelled. We get minus 2. Minus 2. sin x. This is e power minus of e power
Sin x.
so this becomes actually minus e power x. This becomes here. Thank you. So finally y equal to c1 e power c1 plus c2 e power 2x minus e power x by 2 times sin x. Okay, thank you for this class. Using variational parameters. Problem number 13, x minus 1 times b square minus xp plus 1 operating on y equal to x minus 1 y square. Dividing with x minus 1 we get b square minus x by x minus 1 into b plus 1 by x minus 1 operating on y equal to x minus 1. This is of the form d square y by dx square minus b divided by dx plus q by equal to r of x. Where p equal to minus x by x minus 1 and q equal to 1 by x minus 1, r equal to x minus 1. But 1 plus p plus q equal to that becomes equal to 0. So y equal to e power x is the solution. Similarly, p plus qx is equal to minus x by x minus 1 plus q 1 by x minus 1 into x, that is also between 0. Therefore, y is equal to x is another solution. Therefore, the complementary function becomes yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 x. So yp equal to au plus bv, u equal to e power x, v equal to x, u dash is e power x, v dash is 1, u v dash minus vu dash is nothing but e power x minus x into e power x. So e power x into 1 minus x. A is equal to integral minus vr by uv dash minus vu dash dx. That is equal to minus of v. V is equal to x into r x minus 1 divided by e power x into 1 minus x. So that becomes x into e power minus x dx. This can be written as x into derivative of minus e power minus x. So x into minus e power minus x minus of minus e power minus x dx. So minus x e power minus x. We get minus e power minus x. So minus if we take common, x plus 1 into e power minus x. That is your capital A. Now b is equal to integral ur by uv dash minus vu dash dx. E power x into x minus 1 by e power x into 1 minus x dx. Everything gets cancelled, we get minus dx. Integral minus dx is nothing but minus x. So yp equal to au plus bv. So minus of a, x plus 1 into e power minus x into u, e power x, plus b minus x into v is nothing but x. So minus x plus 1 and then this becomes 1 only, minus x square. So minus 1 minus x square. Finally the general solution is y is equal to yc plus y. So y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 x minus 1 minus x minus x. Thank you for watching this.